Hello everyone and welcome back to Captain of Industry. So let's see how this new music turns out for us. So let's see what we were doing last time. Okay, so I believe we just managed to finish researching the... let's see... where is it? Oh no, we are still doing the basic desalinations, so I will get back to that when we do. So we finished the burners, right? And they are already operating, so they are automatically burning the garbage from the town. So we are ready to burn all this rubbish. So for that we need one more excavator. These guys are working away, and I think I will set this area to be dumped, so we can create a nice even coastline. And then let's see. Yeah, so the copper is just fine. And we can check here, right? So wood is struggling a little bit. Iron is fine, rubber is fine, copper fine. Cement is struggling, but only because... yes, because we are not storing it, we are using it right away. So vehicle management 2 is done. Next up, we are doing okay on construction parts 1 and construction parts 2. Very happy to see that. We are okay on food, we are okay on diesel more or less. Let's see. So this is going to be our backup generators. No, don't pause please. So these are fine. Vehicle parts are okay, so I think at this point we can... okay, we can start getting rid of this rubbish. I will give it one truck only. And I will also tell this one to concentrate on waste. As far as I can tell, it shouldn't be able to pick up anything else, but you know, just in case. So, instead of dumping, you will be mining. So you pick up the rubbish, dump it into the truck, and the truck will take it to the burners. And that is all there is to it. I will, let's see. Now they are set to no, yes, that's it. Since these are set to, we don't allow truck imports, I will have to tell them to allow it. So, we are going to get rid of this rubbish dump. Next up. Let's just go through here. So, concrete mix, that's fine. We don't need anything. Maybe we can do the irrigated farms now. Let's see, yes. So, I think I will... where is it? Right. I will need to do it manually. That's fine. So, we will upgrade all these farms to be irrigated. I will hurry up one of them, just to show you how they look. So as you can see, they start out as a big empty field that we plant. But after it's upgraded, you will see what's the difference. Now we have these irrigation sprinklers. We have a big water tank here, and also we have a second input for fertilizers. That will come a little bit later. For now... okay, so here's the deal. These kind of aquifers or groundwater reservoirs, they have a limited amount. They get replenished during rains, but if we put down too many pumps, they will get depleted. So to prevent that, I think I will use rainwater for these fields. Let's see. First, let's set up the piping system. That is why I left this little channel in the middle, so we can route our pipes. So I think I will start as usual with 2 steps above the ground. I will place it down like this. So can we just connect? Yes, we can. So we will do this and this. I'm not sure the trucks can actually go through here. In fact, I'm fairly sure they can't. Yeah, they can't. So let's stop right now. You stop and no, there we go. What we can do instead is again place down the middle pipe, and I should be doing this in planning mode. There we go. So instead of going straight into the pipes, I will simply first go to the side and then connect up. Can I do that in a way that allows trucks to pass? Let's see. You show me your... still no. These pillars are really inconvenient. Maybe if I go the other way. No, it still places a pillar there. Let's see. You know what? I think it's fine. I don't want trucks to move in here anyways, so I will just connect them up straight. So you go up there and you come up here. You as well. Go straight in, and you as well. And that's fine. So let's place down the actual rain harvesters. And those come in here. Let's see. I will place... Now these will require quite a few. So I think I will place 3 like this and 3 like this. And then we need to get rid of these trees. So when we have the time, please get rid of them. In the meantime, I will also double up these. So let's see, first let's place the pipe. Maybe I should also add... I mean, it doesn't really matter. We either have enough water or we don't, so I will just bring this down this way. I will stop right at the same place as the outlet. Okay, so this is actually facing the wrong way. You will need to change direction. Now it should be okay. Yes. So you will come down this way, and you will come down this way. Perfect. That is exactly what I want. I will also place down a small piece here, so I can actually connect up the other rain harvester. There we go. At this point we can get rid of this one. Okay. Okay, maybe I don't have enough room because of the trees. That is fine. So, if you really want to, we can expand the fields a little bit more this way, or maybe this way as well. Yeah, okay. So this will preserve the actual groundwater. So at this point I will unpause everything. There we go. So next up, wow, this is going really fast because of the short distances. You see, this is what we can do if we have a smaller island, because this island is so big, the most of our time is spent ferrying things around. So let's see. Our construction parts are pretty much, this one is full. Now we are just replenishing our tier 1s. So let's see what's next. We are getting very busy. Maybe I should try to, maybe, I don't know. I should really try to get rid of some of these extra. That's what the advanced logistics will do for us, I think. Once we research it, I will show you what it does. And look at that garbage go. We barely have any left. How is the lab equipment going? We are running out of mechanical parts. And not because of the iron, so I think we can upgrade these. So on upgrade, deliver immediately. That's why we have Unity. Okay, this should speed up the mechanical parts production. In fact, maybe I should add an iron storage. Okay, we can get out of planning mode now. I will also build, I will build conveyor belts, because this one only uses pure iron. So iron, keep full, that's it. What else can we do? Okay, so we finished with the farms. We are okay on the metallurgy and smelting. We have the power setup right here. I don't really want to go further with the oil because we are going to have the advanced oil pretty soon. This one is fine. Storages are fine. Research labs are okay. Maybe we can build the captain's office, but we are running low on tier 1 construction materials. So this is fine. I think I will build a couple more housing, but at very low priority. There we go. And I will upgrade the middle one. I will quick deliver for that. We have the Unity. So I will show you what it looks like. Instead of living in cargo containers, we are going to live in proper houses. Look at that. Nice, cozy little houses. Let's see what's next. So we have water in the town. We have waste collection, we have food market. So we cannot build anything else. Did I build? Yes, I did build a trading dock. Also, how is this one doing? It's still getting dumped. So I did say, yes, I did shorten this one. We don't really need, we need a pretty big coastline for the cargo dock, but not that big. How the sand doing? Sand is going Okay. You know what? I don't really want to go down to below sea level with this. So instead we are going to just go this far. I would like to avoid flooding the mining pit if I can. Okay, we have no more trees to harvest because, oh perfect, this one is free now. So I think I will, let's clear out the iron place. And I think, let's see, how is this one? Okay, we are making more water than we are using right now. So let's see, I think I will, to increase the actual harvest, I will introduce crop rotation. So instead of just doing potatoes, I will doing potatoes, and then I will have 2 months of soil replenishment. There we go. And instead of just eating potatoes, I think I will introduce vegetables into the diet of our people. Because, let's see, can I show you? Where is it? Maybe in the tutorials? Let's see. Health and pollution. No. Anyways, I believe if we provide maybe this one. Anyway, I believe if we are providing a more varied diet for our people, they are going to get healthier. So I think potatoes provide protein, maybe, and vegetables will provide vitamins. So that is going to increase the health of our citizens. And for that, we will need a second food market. So I will place it here. So this one is dispensing potatoes. This one will be for vegetables. Okay, we finished advanced logistic controls. Couldn't come any sooner. So if you want to read it, you can do so right here. So at this point, I would like to build a loose storage for each of the mining operations. I will place one here as well, and one for the coal. There we go. And where else? Maybe for limestone too. There we go. And then I will, let's see, let's start with the iron. So if you click, now we have new options. This is telling us where can this mining tower dump its mined resources. So they are allowed to unload into this one, and that is all they can do. They cannot go all over the place to do anything. They can only dump the iron into this. And I will, I cannot quick deliver, so I will prioritize it. And then other trucks can come in, pick up the iron and move it around. And that will cut back on the trips of these guys. So they should dump it right into this. Wait. Let me set it to iron. There we go. So these trucks are only allowed to dump into this. Other trucks can come and pick it up, but these trucks cannot go anywhere else. They can still, of course, go out, go away and refuel, but that's all they can do. So, next up, once these are built, I will deal with them. This garbage pile is getting smaller, that is great. So next up will be the retaining walls. Not exactly critical right now, but it will come in handy later. They are going to be used to keep the dirt and rock falling into the mining pit. What is wrong with you? What? We don't want to export these if we can, please. We want every drop of water from here going into the fields. You can get water from here. In fact, I would like to keep this one empty first. Not enough maintenance. Okay. Okay, retaining walls are done. So, next up, maintenance. Is it actually decreasing? Let's see. I think so. Production is stable, but consumption is going up. So, at this point, maybe I should prioritize this on the maintenance depot too. You know what? I just give it a Unity boost, and once we research this one, then I will upgrade. So there we go. In the meantime, we can go out and explore a little bit. So where haven't we been? We can go here, for example. And we are making vegetables. Perfect. Do we have any? Yes, we already have some. And as you can see, this increased the health of our citizens quite a bit. Before we didn't have an extra health from food, now we have +8. Very nice to see. Air pollution and water pollution is a bit of a concern, but not much we can do about it right now. So what we can do? I think we are okay on food. Maybe I can also add vegetables to the overlay out here, so you can keep an eye on that one too. So this Unity boost, maybe I should only give it to one of them, because the actual balance was pretty small. So let's see, we have just a regular population and resource dump. And now these are too far away to reach, so we are just going home. Maybe I should repair the actual oil rig. So we have enough construction materials, so I will load everything in. And this is going just fine. So did we finish? Yes, we did. So I will do the same for the coal and the other resources as well. So these towers can only dump here. Everyone else can come and pick whatever they want, but these guys can only dump here. What else? What else? So we have it done for the iron. Let's do it for the copper. So you guys can only dump into this one. Let's see. If I set this to empty, are they still going to dump? No, I don't think so. That's fine. Okay. Did I set anything else? The coal, iron, copper. Oh yes, the limestone. So the limestone can only dump into this one. Okay, we have finished the cargo depot. Let's see if we can actually build it, because if we can build it, we can stop dumping the ground. So we need the cargo depot. It's a bit... okay. Terrain too low. Maybe no. Okay, we are still colliding with the coastline, so we need to extend this coast a little bit more. That was to be expected. And this one is progressing nicely. I think I will stop this. Maybe until here. Maybe this one, yes. Maybe I can build the cargo depot. Let's see. Can I build it somewhere around this part? Not really. I don't want to build it on the sand. That is a recipe for disaster. Maybe... I think I can build it here, but I don't know. We already have the concrete here and the fields. Maybe here, but no, that would interfere with the town. Yeah, this place will be just fine. So, the ship is back. We are ready to deliver everything we need, so let's deliver the cargo. There we go, everything's loaded up. Off we go. Perfect. We are replenishing our construction materials. Okay, we are researching the bigger storages. The first thing we need to upgrade are going to be these guys. Definitely. Okay, so this one is repairing. After that I will stop it right away because I think it will immediately start extracting oil. But I don't want to use people for that just now. And it's done. So, let's see. There you go. Yes, as you can see, people are already working, but I don't want that. Because that will decrease the unity and maybe even the health. Let's see. So... it only decreases unity, so that one is fine, but I would like to not do that just yet. Once we have the cargo depot, then we can do it. But for now, we are just fine. How is this oil patch doing? 67% depleted. Let's see. Maybe I will stop at this point. Concentrate on these two lines. Okay, so next up, I think once we let's see. Oh yes, good thing I didn't forget. Let's see. So we are dumping coal into this one, right? Let's see. Oh, okay, why didn't you guys... For some reason these guys didn't. That's weird. because this is supposed to only be allowed to dump into this one. Whatever. So, since they only have to come this far, I think we can take out and leave in only 4 trucks. And we have storage too. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So, I would like to upgrade these, please. So we have more room for our construction materials. And I will also increase the size of these silos. There we go. Let's see. They are still dumping into this, so I think it's fine. Coal, is it actually increasing or decreasing? I think it's on pretty level right now, so I will leave it be. I'm not going to add any more for now. Maybe once the garbage is gone, I will assign that excavator to the coal operation. So, let's see. What we can do is set an alert. I would like to know if we are running low on coal. So, if we drop below 50%, I would like to be notified. And if we name it correctly, so this is going to be the storage for the coal mine. So if we set the alert and there we go. Coal mine has low supply of coal. That is exactly what I want. So let's do the same for the other mines. There it is, iron. So this is the iron mine. There we go. And if we drop below 50%, I would like to be notified. And that will let us know if we are running low on something. Same for the copper. So you are the copper mine. Please let me know. Maybe I should also put down one for the sand. So for this one I will just place a small one. Quick deliver. You can only dump into this. So we need to set the actual material what you want inside. That's why the coal wasn't dumping. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So that mystery is solved. So you as well, you are going to be the sand mine. And please let me know if we are running below 50%. This will get refilled pretty quickly. So the coal mine is, I think it's actually struggling. Maybe we are just barely making more than we are using. So maybe I shouldn't wait for this one. I will just build one more excavator. You know what? How is the wood? Let's see. The woodcutter. Maybe I should clear out the area around the coal mine and we can start digging down a little bit. Yeah, let's do that. So stop here and start with this one. And once we clear this area out, I will start digging down a little bit. What's next? What's next? Maybe I should. I will just wait for the water desalination, which is only going to be the next tech, I believe. Yes, it is 1 and 2. But Happy days, guys, happy days, because we have advanced diesel. Okay, so this is going to be pretty complicated. This is where the first real complication comes in. Okay, let's enter planning mode right now. So, we have different stages of distillation. So, first stage, this one requires oil and high pressure steam, and that will create medium oil and heavy oil and sour water. Don't ask me what sour water is because I have no idea. You know, I think there should be a little bit of a description some here, maybe. Maybe I will give a feedback to the developers. Just, you know, a small blurb about what something is. So anyway, so we are making medium oil and heavy oil. The second stage of distillation will use the medium oil, and that will create diesel and light oil. So for 54 oil, we are making 36 diesel. For the basic distiller, for the same amount and coal, we are making less. So this is more efficient, but as you can see, also more complex. Okay, let's see. The steam is going to be interesting, but let's see. We should unlock the, let's see, where is it? Yeah, there it is, gas combustion. In this one we can use light oil, medium oil or heavy oil to make high pressure steam. So let's see. I don't want to use medium oil, of course, because that is going to be turned into diesel. But we can use heavy oil or light oil. So basically we can use the byproducts of the refining process to make the steam. We just need a small side boiler to kickstart the process. Yeah, I think that this one will be just fine. Is the CO2 actually... Yes, I think, let's see. Yes, it is actually a pollutant. No surprise there. Okay, this is going to be interesting. So, while we are still building the dock, we will also need to get rid of these trees. But first, the coal, that's more important. Low food supply, what's the problem? Okay, maybe, let's see. I think I will build one more of each farm field. Let's see. I will build one right here and then another one right here. So they need to be, let me see, like this. Yes. So you, first of all, you can build, and you will be making vegetables with crop rotation, and you will be making potatoes with crop rotation. And we finish basic desalination. Perfect. So if we need more water, we can just build more rain harvesters. But water will need to go this way. Oh, stop. I think this is in the wrong place. Yes, it is. Oh, great. Just when it's finished building. Oh, that's fine. So you will come this way until this point. Then you will hook up to the main line and that's it. In fact, I will quick build them. Can I quickly get, yes, I can. So let's try again. So this is the vegetable farm. We need potato farm. Let's copy the other one. It's already oriented correctly. So you will need to be, let's see. Here maybe? Let's see. I think this is it. We can see it like this. Yes. Now it's correct. So we can unpause and I will hook up the water. In fact, I will quick build it. And this one as well. Oh, we don't have enough. We don't have enough wood. Maybe we do. There we go. So we are making extra food. That should be fine. How's the rubbish going? It is going. It's almost done. Okay, so what was I doing last time? Let's see. This one is okay. Let's see, what was I doing? We finished basic this. Oh yes, I was doing the diesel, but it's not exactly critical because we are still building the embankment. And we are still less than halfway through our oil. So I think I will build the basic desalination, which just requires, let me see. That should be a bit less polluting than other processes. So we need a basic seawater pump. Okay, let's see, let's move this pipe a little bit. So we will, sure, I will leave one space. Why can't I? Okay, that cannot be the same transport, so that's fine. Let me just quickly sever the connection here. Quick build the rest. And then we can connect up here. And quick build. Okay, now sewage is dealt with again. I will quickly remove this pipe. And I will build a seawater pump. So first, let's check the actual process. Evaporation pond. Can we build those? I don't think so. No, I don't think we can. So we don't have access to those, but what do we have access to? So the seawater gets pumped in with the seawater pump, and then we just use a basic distiller. And we can, let's see, 36, 72. I think we can build 3 of these distillers. Yeah, sure, why not? So, let's build a simple seawater pump. Maybe, sure, here. And then we build, let's see, how much water are we actually using right now? 28 per minute. So, technically, we can get away with only 1. But I think I will play it safe. You know what? Let's move this one here. and we can deal with the water in this area. There we go. So I think I will build 2 basic distillers. I will build it, let's see, here and in a mirrored fashion here. You will do the seawater desalination. And then we need to hook up with a pipe here and here. Let's see, these pipes can move 60 per minute. We are still consuming less, so that's fine. We unpause this one. These guys will need coal, so let's build a loose storage. Here I will hook them up with a U-ship conveyor. I will just go over these pipes. Why not? Can I go this way? Okay. This is a bit awkward. Maybe I will just simply... You know what? Let's just go this way. There we go. Just use 2 different conveyors. So we finish with the biofuel research. That will open us the air separators and other stuff. I haven't really delved into that one just yet. So we are still low on food. Let me see the actual graph. I mean, ever since we added that third field, we are trending up. What about potatoes? Long term we might be going down. I will have to see. Okay, we also finished settlement power. Since we are making more power than we are using, I'll just build one right away. So we build a transformer. You will build right away. So let's see. Let's continue with the water. So that will deal with the inputs. Yes. Next up, we need to get rid of the waste gases. And then we have clean water and brine. Brine I will simply dump into the sea. Right here. So yes. Let's see. We are actually generating 12. I think they are combined, so I think we are doing 24. This one can dump 60 liquids per minute. And these will create 24. I think I'm going to risk it. Yeah. So let's build, first of all, a storage tank, which is right here, a fluid storage. I will build a big one. I will build it here. Then I will hook everything up like this. There we go. No. Let's do it properly. There we go. So, and the brine will go... Yeah, this way. Straight into the liquid dumping. The other side as well. And we will also do the same with this. I will go up here across these inlets. Come on, there we go. Then should I? Yes, I should actually allow trucks to go over, so I will go up by 2. And then we will go down to the waste pipe. Yes, that's it. And now we are going to go again up by 2, so trucks can pass, go over a little bit, and then go down into the inlets. Yeah, I think we are ready to build. If we need to increase the dumping, we can just build another outlet. That's fine. In fact, let me quick build whatever I can. Why can't I? There we go. That's more like it. So I would like to have coal here full all the time. So seawater gets dumped into these distilleries. Once we have coal, they are going to make water, brine and exhaust. The brine gets dumped into the sea, and the clean water gets dumped into this tank, which goes into the town. Perfect. And we are now extremely busy. And we have a bit of an issue. I think it got stuck while dumping, so we will need to recover it. And that will remove these No, it got reassigned automatically, that's good. In a couple patches before, if you had to recover a vehicle, then they lost their assignment, but now it seems they get reassigned automatically. It's very good to see. Okay, let's continue. So, there we go. We are building our freshwater supply. Good. The only pollution coming from this is air pollution. The brine is not actually a pollutant. Only pollutant right now for water is the wastewater and the sour water. And we are running low on power. Yes, we are now struggling with coal, so yes, we have this guy. So I think I will assign it to this mining tower with 2 extra trucks. And you please concentrate on coal. Now, next up we have gas combustion. This unlocks the much needed gas boiler. Let's see. I think this area is pretty deforested now. So after that he will continue with that one. That's good. So maybe we should start digging down actually. Maybe after we build a bit of a backlog of coal. After that I will start digging down. A small excavator has no fuel. So I think we should add... This is also a problem because we are extremely busy. So we have no time to bring in the fuel. Or maybe are we actually losing fuel? Yes, I think we are. That is an issue. How is the dock doing? Let's see. Can we build the dock now? Not really. Even if we build this coast, I think we are still going to be in a bad spot, so we might have to build it here. I'm not happy about it. But you know what? We can leave this operation here and maybe I can deal with having the oil here. I can move the concrete if you really have to. Yeah, let's do that. So, since I changed my mind, I am going to place the cargo dock here. Let's see. Fluid module, perfect. Go right here. We need one more. And we can get out of planning mode now. Okay, what's next? What's next? With the extra coal, we should get out of this power rut in a second. Yeah, I should increase priority for the power, I think. In fact, I will upgrade this one. And there we go. So you are going to be the power generator. And please let me know if you are running low. 50% you as well. So now coal gets prioritized for this one. In fact, that should start spinning up in a second. There we go. Now they are spinning. That's what I like to see. And we are spinning, we have power again. Perfect. Okay, now that with the third excavator we should be okay for coal for a little more. What's next? What's next? Yes, this one. So, what time is it? We have 57 minutes in. So I think for now I will just start storing the crude oil. Oh yeah, we already have oil coming in. Oh, not yet. Because we are not actually extracting oil. We can explore with the ship, but at this point we need to enable this one. Yes. So we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 2 million. It should be enough for 3,000 years. But don't let that fool you, we are already 56 years in. Oh, let's see. Once we have enough oil, the ship should leave and pick it up. This will decrease our Unity production, but that's fine. We are already making 2.3 per month, so we are just fine. So how is fuel these days? Let's see. Vegetables, that is going up. That is what I like to see. And potatoes, it's also going up. So we are okay on food. And we are okay on water. So at this point I am going to demolish these. So you empty this one out. And I will get rid of these. Location explored. We have found a new settlement. Very good. So they will allow us to trade construction parts for diesel, rubber for wood, coal, construction parts 3 for glass. That will come in handy for the big vehicles. And we can also get chickens. Okay, okay. But I think first we need to donate to unlock these. Okay, what about this one? What exactly does it do? You can donate some products to increase your reputation with the settlement. The better reputation you have, the more trade offers you get. Reputation also affects population adoption. Products have to be delivered by your ship. Anyway, at this point we need to go home because we are out of fuel. And we are still extremely busy with the trucks, so I will build 5 more. And we are, because of this, we are running low on some materials. Okay, the ship is off and here it comes. It has 440 oil stored inside. It will get dumped into these. And once we have the oil set up, we can take advantage of it. But I think I will do that oil setup in the next episode. So, thank you for watching. Please let me know how you like the new music, and if you like the video, you can leave a like, leave a comment, maybe subscribe to the channel if you want. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye bye.